Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Black & Decker fan heater. Black & Decker is renowned for its reliable and practical home appliances. So I'm excited to see what this fan heater has to offer. Let's dive in. First, let's check out the packaging. Black & Decker keeps it simple and straightforward, highlighting key features on the sides. It's promising efficiency and modern design. Alright, let's open it up. Right on top, we have the user manual, which is always handy for setup and troubleshooting. And here's the heater itself, well protected with foam padding. Here it is, the Black & Decker fan heater. It has a sleek horizontal design that's perfect for any room. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around. Now, let's take a closer look at its features. On the front, we have the main vent where the warm air comes out. The controls are located on the top, simple and intuitive. We have a power button speed combination and temperature control. The setting points are not very clear, and maybe a black or red dot would have helped. Let's power it up and see how it performs. It starts up quickly, and within seconds you can feel the warm air. The temperature control is smooth. However, the fan is loud, which means you cannot use it in certain environments. Another downside is that it only distributes heat in one direction, meaning you have to keep switching its position. I've tested it in various rooms and it consistently performs well. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even a home office, the Black & Decker fan heater does a fairly good job. On electric consumption, it does consume about 3 units per hour on maximum speed and temperature, which roughly translates to 100 Kenya shillings, that is 0.79 USD. So there you have it. The Black & Decker fan heater is a good choice if you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and stylish way to keep warm. It's packed with useful features and built with Black & Decker's quality. The good outweigh the bad in this case. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching and stay warm.